Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This might help. I am Shrestha, and in today's video we are going to do a monthly review series which I do on my channel at the end of each month, where we review our previous month and set goals and intentions for the upcoming month. So let's get started. Grab your notebooks and pen. Also, today's shout out goes to Siddhant. Thank you so much for commenting on all my videos and leaving such encouraging and positive comments all the time. Thank you so much. And if you're wondering how can you get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories. My Instagram handle is thismighthelp.tmh and I would happily give you a shout out in my next video. So guys, like I mentioned that I do these videos at the end of each month. I have a playlist with all these videos and I would highly urge you to check it out and you will understand the structure of the video, but nevertheless I explain it in all of these videos. Now let's talk about how the structure of this video would be. This video is divided into 3 parts. The first part would be where we will review our previous month. The second part would be where we will set goals and intentions for the upcoming month, and the third part would be more of setting our journals for the next month, and also whatever goals we have set, it is aligning with our major yearly goals. I just cannot believe only 3 months are left and 2020 will be gone finally, and we will be welcoming 2021. So yes guys, can you imagine that? Now let's start with reviewing our previous month. Now for me, I usually like to answer all the questions given in my life hacking planner by Saloni. But if you don't have it, all you need is a plain notebook and I have some questions for you. Pause the video and answer them and you'll review your month with me. I also like to answer these questions while I'm reviewing because I usually like to review my month in depth, and these questions have so far helped me so much. A lot of you have come back to me saying that these questions have worked for you as well while you review your previous month. So like I said guys, pause this video every time I ask a question and answer it in your journals. So I have ordered a new journal. This is in forest green color. I absolutely loved the color. I usually like to invest in good quality journals, so I'll be reviewing my month and doing all those things in this particular one because this one is finished. I usually end up using more than 2 to 3 journals in an year, but because of my life hacking planner that I bought this year, I do more of my all goals and tasks in that, and more of my thinking and reviewing goes into these journals. Okay guys, let's start with reviewing your previous month. So, are you happy how your September went by? Pause this video and answer this question guys. Cool. Second question, did you accomplish all your goals? Pause your video and answer guys. Third, what are the things you're grateful for? Fourth, did you take out time for skincare? Pause this video and answer. Cool. Fifth question, did you take out time for regular workouts? Sixth question, what are the things you could not accomplish and want to work on next month? This is very important because it will help you set goals and intentions for next month. And finally, the last question, ask one question about a habit you're trying to build. So for example, if you are trying to build a reading habit, the question you need to ask, did I take out enough time for reading, or did I read 1 book or 2 books this month or not? Once you're done answering all these questions, I hope it helped you review your previous month. For me, my previous month was actually very slow. I didn't do much in terms of the other goals I had in mind. I obviously was consistent with my YouTube and I saw the growth I was expecting, and in some places I even exceeded my own expectations, which was actually very amazing. But apart from that, my reading goal has actually taken a toll. I don't know what's happening. I have not read any book completely. I have started few books again, but I have not finished any book. So that is something I have to work next month on, because my reading goal for this year was 25 books and I really love to read. It's all about creating that habit and sitting down to read. So I have to do that. I also got to travel this month. It was a work related travel. I have a vlog on my channel about that. So so you guys can check it out. But it was actually a very good 2-day trip to Oxford. I really enjoyed myself, and at the end we did go to London and we met our friends, so it was a nice experience in terms of leveling up my social media game, of learning all these things. It was again good. Like I mentioned in one of my previous monthly review videos, I did join up Sunita's mentorship, and those were like amazing classes. I got to know so much about YouTube, and I implemented all her learnings, and I did see a result which I'm really happy about. I'm also part of Hustle Post Academy. I didn't do this month of Power Up course because it was about blogging, and I'm really personally not interested in blogging. That's just me, so I didn't do that course, though I want to do it and see what it's in the Power Up course. But that was that. Apart from that, my home office is all ready, and I will do a tour video of the home office and how I created this small little comfy place for myself. And guys, yes, that was all. It was a very slow and lazy kind of month. I was binge watching a lot of Netflix shows and everything, but I have planned so many things for my next month, and that is the reason my word of the month is again focus. Yes, I want to focus on few things. I have some projects lined up. I want to see how it goes, and of course I will keep you guys updated with it. But that was just my month and how it went. Now, second part is actually the fun part, where we set goals and intentions for the upcoming month, and also we set our journals for the next month. Now, I have a video on my channel for you guys where I have set my bullet journal from a basic plain notebook, and anybody can do it. It is a very minimalistic one. I will highly urge you to check it out. But since I have my life hacking planner, all I have to do is fill in the details and I am good to go. Apart from that, setting goals and intentions are very important, because not only it helps you keep on track, also helps you that you don't overwhelm yourself and make smart goals, and you create such small goals which you can achieve. So basically the whole point is to make smart goals, goals which you can achieve, and goals which brings you closer to your major yearly goals. So never think about one major goal and be like, oh, I have to do that, and fail at it. Instead, think about it and then create some smaller task, some achievable task which you can do to achieve that big goal. It's all about taking that small step towards the bigger journey, if that makes sense. Which again brings me to the point, make sure your goals align to your major yearly goals. Remember, those goals you must have planned in the beginning of the year or whenever in the whole year. By now I can say, whenever you think of that big goal, just keep it in front of you so that it's in sight, and just plan your smaller goals and achievable goals according to it. So it's just a circle basically. Your major yearly goals should be aligned with your monthly goals, and your monthly goals should be aligned with your weekly goals. So basically what I'm trying to say, your monthly and weekly goals are nothing but smaller chunks of your major yearly goals. So for me, like I already mentioned in my review of the month, that I have planned a lot for my upcoming month, and also I'm launching my 30-day journaling challenge on Instagram. It should go live today, because this video will go live on the 1st of October, and so does that challenge. I'll be hosting that challenge on my Instagram, so go follow me on my Instagram, that is thismighthelp.tmh. This 30-day challenge will start from the 1st of October till the end of the month, that is 31st October. And in this, you will not only get the opportunity to journal with me, but you'll have guided prompts. You will have all the push and motivation I can give you to do the 30-day journaling challenge, and all the details will be on my Instagram. If you're interested to journal with me, if you've been enjoying my journaling series videos, then you will definitely enjoy the 30-day journaling challenge as well, because that will get you in the habit of journaling every single day. And when you get into that habit for the next 30 days, after that, you can just journal on your own, and you can reap the enormous benefits of journaling. And guys, it's totally free, so what are you waiting for? Just head to my Instagram. And with that, I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you all.